As you may know, in Lyon we have a lot of integrations, and one of them is Celeste from Azzera. This integration will allow aircraft operators to get comprehensive emission mitigation solution. Flights with completed journey logs are transferred automatically from Lyon to Celeste. In this video we'll show you how you can connect both systems and what are the basic functions of Celeste from Azzera. After contacting Azzera Celeste, you'll receive a link to the website. After clicking on it, you'll be forwarded to the page in which you need to click on Sign up. Here you'll need to add your email address. Basic details like name, surname and password. After adding them, you'll receive a confirmation email to your mailbox. After confirming it, you'll be able to sign into the page. Here you'll need to define if you're a producer or aircraft operator. So for Lyon user, you'll be selecting aircraft operator. Then you'll need to connect Celeste from Azzera with Lyon, and you can do it with two options. On the dashboard, you can select Connect your data and choose Lyon, or you can go to the Settings, Integration, and then choose Lyon. Then you'll be forwarded to the Lyon page, where you need to enter your Lyon login and password to connect both systems. But please keep in mind that this action can be triggered only by admins. After connecting the softwares, the data will be downloaded from Lyon to Celeste from Azzera. When it's done, you'll be able to use the system. After logging to Azzera Celeste, on the left-hand side you will find a few tabs which you can use. So the first one will be the dashboard, which will show you total emission from selected aircraft and time period. In here you can filter out the aircrafts that should be visible that were previously transferred from Lyon software. Also, you can define the time frame, so from and to dates. Also, you can define the calculation method. The ones that are available are method B and small emitter tool. Below you will find a diagram with all the emissions by aircraft that you have defined. Also, below you will find a marketplace in which you can buy vetted carbon credits. The next tab will be transactions. In here you can view your last orders and transactions on carbon credits. Emissions tab will show you emissions and mitigations products that you can buy and you can use on the flights with fulfilled journey logs transferred from Lyon software. In here all flights will be visible, so we'll have date, aircraft registration, date of departure and arrival, ICAO type, so duration, and also CO2 emissions with Corsia and standard. If you select a flight, then you will be able to mitigate them by selecting carbon credits, SAF book and claim, or SAF inventory management. Also, when you select the flights, you can export them to create a report. In the aircraft tab, you will find all the aircrafts that were transferred from Lyon software to Azzera Celeste. Here you will find aircraft registration, status, category, effective time and aircraft designator. Celeste from Azzera will allow you to manage compliance and voluntary sustainability objectives. The software is user-friendly and the data transfer from Lyon to Celeste is very quick. For this information and more, please visit our LinkedIn page and our YouTube.